You will not have this one. Yeah,
Okay.
please add in C. Yes. Okay, if this is done, just try this approximate match also, so you will get the clarity on this. Differentiate this VLOOKUP match, so it will give you the more clarity. Using this data one in this assignment tab, you have to retrieve all these things. Okay, I'm pasting the formula here so you can match it, but before that, just implement the formula at your end, please. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, hello.
Yeah. Hi.
So in this assignment, I have one doubt. Can I share
Hmm.
my screen?
Sure. Can sit now.
So what has I given like an assignment for index?
Mm-hmm.
We look up one. So
Hmm.
I have taken by purposefully instead of the A, I have taken the O one.
Hmm. So
Okay,
if
but
okay.
it's
Ha.
it's giving the south instead
Ha.
of an A.
Ha. So why it is giving the south you're asking for, right?
Yes,
Okay. So
exactly.
look, it says O1 to AB1. Okay. Now
Huh,
go into data tab, data tab. From
this.
column O, just select the O1 cell
Okay.
and just move to the right side using the shift key. Hmm. Till the IFSC only. Okay. See, till the
Oh,
IFSC.
okay.
Okay. So it is a 12 number, right?
Hmm.
Right? So what it is giving you, it is starting the data from the starting and it is giving you the 12 column index number data. So if you just go here in the starting, go on the A1 cell
Okay.
and from here just count the 12 number column number 12.
It's a L.
It's
Okay.
so that's why it is giving you.
Okay. So 12 number it is taking it.
Okay.
Mm.
So in A1, just O1, just make A1.
Yeah.
Okay, it will work then.
But 12 number we haven't mentioned anywhere here.
No, 12 number you have not mentioned. But this match function is generating the number as a 12, na?
Okay, look, the location is
Ah,
calculating as a 12. Got it.
correct. So match function is generating the result as a 12. So it
Mm-hmm.
means A1 to AB 100, the 12 column number data you are looking for. And 12 column number data was the region. So that's why you were
Okay.
getting the region.
Okay. Instead of VLOOKUP, if you're using index, so it will match exactly IFSC.
Then it will match. Correct.
Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks for the clarification.
Okay. Yeah. Related till the X lookup. Anyone has any doubt? If not, then we will move to the conditional formatting sheet now. Okay. So the conditional formatting, as I told you, that conditional formatting is what? The word itself says the condition. Okay. There are two words, condition and formatting. Condition is what? Like the condition is basically related to some if part or some logical parts, right? So if you have a certain condition and on the basis of condition, if you want to do any kind of a formatting, right? So your formatting can be that you want to change the text color, you want to fill the cell color, you want to show the some icons, you want to show the data bars, right? So these kind of a formatting you can implement this. So now here is a scenario where I have this attendance tracker. And in this attendance tracker, the grid which I have selected, in this grid, I just want that if I fill the P, then P should be in the green color. Okay. If anyone type the A should be in the red color. And if anyone type the CL, which is a casual leave, that should highlight in the orange color. It means in the CL, the cell color should be in the orange color. So to implement the conditional formatting, always remember your first step will be you have to select the range or the grid in which you want to implement the conditional formatting. So I selected this range, then conditional formatting, Alt OD, click on this new rule. I can go with this, or if you want to open the same window, go into conditional formatting into home page, and here click on this new rule. So here this window will be appear, and here we have these many rules. So firstly, we are going to discuss about this format only cells that contain, right? It means I want to format the cells where the cell value is equals to, I said P. And this is not a case sensitive. Remember this. Conditional formatting is not a case sensitive. Either I write the small p or I write the caps P, both will work as the same. Okay. Then I have to click on format. As I click on format, I will get this format cells wizard. And as I said, I want to change the color of P. P means the text color. So I will go into this under this font. I will select the green color. Okay, or any of the color you can select. And P will look like this. Okay, click on OK. So one rule is created and I will simply click on OK. So I have created that rule. So see, if I'm just writing the P anywhere, so can you see whether I write a small p or I write caps P, can you see the P color is showing as a green color, right? Similarly, if I select this grid, go into conditional formatting, see the rule which I have created, it is showing this to you. And now I need to create a new rule. So I can go into this new rule, format only cells that contain cell value is equals to A. Click on format. A should be in the red color. So select the red color. Okay. And I'm just creating one more rule for the CL. So click on the new rule. Same. Format only cells that contain cell value is equals to CL. Format, but for the CL I need to fill the cell color, not the font color. So go into the fill section and select whatever the color you want. I said orange color or the amber color. Select this, OK and OK. So now if you will write the A anywhere, so you can see it is highlighting into the red color. And now if I will just type the CL here, so you can see in the CL it will fill the orange color in the cell. See, right? So I have these conditions, the P, A, and CL. On the basis of that, I have just given this one, which color should be filled. Text color or the fill color or what should be the color. All these conditions I have just implemented, right? So this is one of the scenario where you can use that rule. Okay. This is something also you can utilize in this way. For example, conditional formatting. Okay, the other way I'm just telling you. For example, I have the number in this range between 10 to 200. Okay, in this range. Now, I want to highlight those numbers which are less than 100. I want to highlight those numbers. So I can select this grid, conditional formatting, highlight. You can see greater than, less than, between, equals to, not equals to, you can select. So I said which is less than, and I can just give the number here. I said 99. So here you can see it is highlighted those cells only which are less than 99. Okay, default it is taking light red fill with dark red text. You can select this one, or if you see that colors are here now, red text should be there. If you select the red text, so color will be in the red text. If you select yellow fill with the dark yellow, So this will be yellow. If you want to customize your own color, like less than 99 should be fill in the red color. So you can just go with this custom format. This wizard will open, and I said those cells should be filled with the red color, but the font color should be the white. Okay, so it will reflect like this. See. So if any number which is less than 99, it will highlight, it will fill with the red color, and font color will be the white color. You can see. Okay. If you'll change the number, for example, here the 124 is written. I change this 124 to 67, and if I'll press enter, you can see it highlighted in the red color because this is less than the 99. Okay, and if you change the number greater than 99, so that will not fill. Okay, here you can also implement the rule. For example, less than 99 you have filled, but I said if greater than 99, then that also should fill in the green color. So you can go with the same rule, and you can say greater than, I said 99, greater than 99 should be filled with a green color. So I selected this green color here. Okay, this one. And now you can see greater than 99 are filled in the green color. This one. Okay, and the rules which you have created, all those rules you will be able to see if you click on conditional formatting, manage rules. Then you will be able to see the rules which you have created. So in this grid which I have selected where my cursor is, in this range I have put this rule, greater than 99 and less than 99, right? This one, which I can use by this rule also. Can you see? Format only cells that contain, right? This one. So this is the concept. Okay. Now here, if I say, for example, if I'm just putting the 99 here, it is filling any color? No. Why? Because I have just given the greater than or the less than. I have not given the greater than or equals to, right? So in this case, what you have to do when you go with this rule here in greater than 99, go with the edit rule or double click on this rule and change this greater than to greater than or equals to. Okay, and now it will take the 99 also in the green color. See, right? So this kind of a rule also you can prepare this one. So for example, if you have some score, okay, and you want to highlight that one, that if any score is existing between 0 to 30 should be highlighted in the red color, 31 to 69 green color, right? Above that amber color, and so on. So these kind of a conditional formatting you can also implement that. Okay. So this is the one of the rule where you can implement this conditional formatting. Okay. Now the second rule, for example, I have given you the number from 100 to 1500, and now if I just go with the first rule, go into new rule, and this first rule I'm just talking about now, format all cells based on their values. If on the basis of the cell value you want to implement the formatting, like here you will be able to see the format styles: 2 color scale, 3 color scale, data bar, and icon sets. So the 2 color scale means the 2 type color will be filled. So if I say when my value will move from lowest to the highest, then I say my color should change from red to green. So it means the range which I have selected A2 to A16, as my value will keep changes means in the increasing order. Okay, from lowest to the highest, then the value color should divert from red to green. Now if I click on the OK, so you can see 100 is the lowest one, red color. 200 is lowest but greater than 100. So you can see as your value is increasing, your color is moving from red to green, if you see. So this is the two color scale. Here the two kind of a color will get filled. Okay. If you want to go with the three color scale, so I can press the Alt OD, and here in this case I will use the three color scale. So in the three color scale, what will happen? You will have the three kind of a scaling, three kind of a color. So three kind of a color will be here. Okay. So three kind of a color will be here. So you will see a midpoint from where you can divert the color. So my data is first of all in the number. So I will select the number here and I say my color should move or the divert from suppose the 700. Okay. And you can change the color. You can customize the color. So it will move from red to yellow and yellow to green. Now if I click on the OK and OK, you can see it is moving from red to yellow, and you can see 700, the midpoint I have given, you can see the yellow, and from there it is moving to the green color. So this is the two color scaling and three color scaling. Okay. Now, if in this data set, if in this data set here, if in this data set, if you just go with this one, so here you can see in this data set, if you just go with this color, okay, new rule, and we will just go with this data bar. So in this data bar, it will show the bar size, okay, like this. And now simply I'm just clicking on the OK. As of now, I'm just clicking on the OK. So you can see the bar size here, right? And this bar color, you can also change it. Default it is into this color, but here you can see the color. Okay, I am selecting suppose this green color. I can see this one. Here you can see the bar appearance, solid and gradient. So in the solid, you can see the preview. It will be the completely solid color. Okay, but in the gradient, it will be a light color as it increase the bar, right? This one. So you can select this one, gradient fill or the solid fill. You can select it. If you want to give the border also into your bar, you can select the solid border and you can change the bar color, border color here. Like suppose a red border like this, or if you do not give any border, say no border. If I just click on the OK, so you can see the green color, bar here. The bar direction you can also change it. Like it is from left to right. You can also move from right to left or something. So you can see the bar direction. You can move from right to left. Okay. So you can see the preview. So it will look like this. Now if I okay, you can see. Okay. And this bar is as of now default set on the basis of your minimum value and the maximum value into this range. Like in this range, if I suppose for example this 57, you can see the bar size here. If I change this 57 to for example 99 and pressing enter, so you can see it is keep changing, right? This is keep changing. Now for example, if I change this 57 to for example 118, 80, so now just tell me, I have changed only one value 57 to 180, but my all the bars are getting changed or not? Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, yes.
Right? Because default it is set into the automatic mode. If you see, it is default set into the automatic mode. You can see minimum automatic, maximum automatic. But if I want to fix the range, okay, so I will select the number here first of all, and I say my bar size should adjust between 10 to 400 range. Okay. So now if I just click on OK, you can see the bar size. And for example, this 58, I'm just changing to 250. So see, now I have changed this value, only that bar is getting changed or not? See, rest are fixed because I have given that range, that in that range only my bar size should be adjusted, right? So this is basically the concept. Okay. Now, if I just go here and now in this, if suppose I just want to show the bar only, I do not want to show this value 66, 24 and all. So I will simply say the show bar only and click on OK and click on OK. See, the bar size is not here. The numbers are not here. Only the bar size is reflecting, right? The value you will be able to see when you will put the cursor on the cell only. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. So this is basically the conditional formatting with the first. And also, if I just want to show the some kind of icons. Okay, for example, I have given you this data and I just want to show the icon on the basis of these given conditions. That if any value is greater or equals to 65, I want to show the green up arrow. If any value is between 45 to 64, I want to show the yellow icon, yellow arrow. For the less than 45, I want to show the red arrow. So I will select this grid, go into conditional formatting, new rule, and the first rule, and here you have to go with this icon sets. So firstly, my data is number. I will select this number and now just give the condition. So I say if the value is greater or equals to 65, then green color. Okay. Less than 65, but greater or equals to 45, yellow color, or and less than 45, red color. I clicked on OK. You can see. But I want to show the arrows. So I can select this, and when I was just putting the rule, I can see this drop down here and I can customize my icons also. So for this, I say up arrow, for this red, for this yellow, and for this I said red, this one. Click on OK, click on OK, and you can see. So in this, you can see this icon, whether there is a growth or there is a loss or there is a break-even point, no profit and no loss. And you can also customize the icon from here. Conditional formatting, you can see the icon sets and you can select the icon from here. Like this kind of a icon you have seen into the Sensex, right? BSC or the NSE data, the in the share market. Okay, this one. So you can use this one. And in the conditional formatting, remember the minimum conditions you can put the 3 conditions and maximum you can put the 5 conditions maximum. Okay, like for example, if you see the icon style, which is minimum the 3, maximum if I select the 5, so you can see the maximum rules I can create with the 5 rules. So minimum 3 conditions I can give and maximum 5 condition I can give. Okay, remember this point. So here I can customize the icon, I can show this icon and I can customize it. For example, the yellow arrow icon I want to show with the yellow flag. So I can go with this yellow flag here. And this red down arrow I want to show with this cross, red cross. I can go with this red cross and OK and OK. So you can see this one. So it will reflect in that way. Okay, so this is conditional formatting with the icon sets. Okay, Any doubt? Anyone till here? No? Okay. And here, if you see, for example, if I just want that, suppose I have this data, okay, suppose I have received this data, and on the basis of this invoice number, I just need to process the payment, okay. But if I am responsible to process the payment, then one of my responsibility is also the data which I have received to proceed with the payment. I just need to validate that do I have any duplicate payment into this. So in this, if I just need to process the payment for all these invoices, okay, suppose I just need to upload this into the bank portal to proceed with the payment. So before that, I just need to cross verify, do I have any duplicate invoice number? So if you want to check, you can select the invoice number, conditional formatting, new rule, and here you will have this format only unique or duplicate values. So you can you want to highlight unique values, you can select unique. You want to highlight duplicate values, you can highlight the duplicate values as per your data set. Go into format, and I say whatever the value, duplicate value we have, fill with the red color. Text color should be the white. Okay, and click on OK. So you can see these are the invoices which are the duplicate. You can see. Okay, this one, right? So in this way, you can identify this. Okay. Now, also, for example, suppose if I have given you this number, okay. Now, if I just want to highlight the top three amount, okay, I just want to highlight the top three amount or the bottom three amount like this, or top five, bottom five, top two, bottom two, like this. So I can simply go with this conditional formatting, new rule, and here you can see format only top or bottom rank values. Okay, so top and bottom you can see. So I said the top three, and I say in the top three, I need to fill the green color, this one. So you can see the top three are filled with a green color. If your value will get changed, so automatically it will capture the top three. For example, if I say 9900, so it this should be the part of the top three. If I press enter, see, now these are my top three values, right? So in this way, the top three, top five, bottom three, bottom five, you can highlight that one. Like if I select, for example, and if I say the bottom three I need, so instead of this top, I will select the bottom, and I say whatever my bottom three values are, please fill those values with a red color. So see, the red are my bottom three. If I change these values to this one, so now this is my bottom three, right? So here you can highlight the top three and the bottom three also. Okay. So this is the way how you can use the conditional formatting into your data set. Is this clear to everyone till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so as of now, the conditional formatting which we have implemented, that was pretty straightforward, right? Here, all the things are here, and I was just selecting it from here. But now what will happen in that case where I want to implement the conditional formatting on the basis of my some formula base. Formula base is like, for example, I have given you this data and I simply ask you Do one thing in this attendance sheet. I just want to implement a such kind of a formatting. I just want to implement a such kind of a formatting that if anyone has taken the casual leave more than two, then that employer name should get highlighted into the red color. In a month, two casual leaves are allowed, which is fine. But if they have taken the more than the two casual leave, then please highlight their name into the red color. Okay. So what I will do, I will select the name because in this I want to implement the formatting. Then I will select the new rule and I will use this last follow rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. It means whenever you have to apply the conditional formatting on the basis of a formula, and formula out should be either the true or the false because it work on the true part. So here, what I will check, I will simply use the COUNTIF because through the COUNTIF only I can check now whether that person has taken the 2 CL or more than 2 CL or what. I can count the CL. So I will use the COUNTIF, and for the Bonnie Potter, I will select this range that in this range I need to count the CL. And if that CL count is greater than 2, right? If that will be greater than 2, it will give the true. If that will be less than 2, it will give the false, right? Now, for the Bonnie Potter, I have given the range B2 to P2. And for the Ronnie Proctor, what will be the range to count the CL?
B2 to P2. Oh, sorry.
No, B3, na?
B3, B3,
Ah,
B3 to P3.
so, what I will do in this, I will implement the freezing concept. I will remove the dollar sign before the 2. So, row number automatically will get generated. Okay. Now, click on the format. I selected color. You can perform this formatting at your end. Okay, whatever the color you want, it's up to you. So I'm just selecting this color, clicking on OK. Okay, see, implemented. Till the 2 CL it will not say anything, but as I have taken the third CL, see, name is highlighted. Till the 2 CL it will not say anything. Okay, but as taken third CL, you can see name is highlighted, right? So like this you can see till the 2 CL it will not say anything, but as you have taken the third CL or more than the 2 CL, it will start highlighting. Correct? So this kind of a thing you can implement that one. Is this clear? Okay. Now I am putting one interview question here. Okay. So in the interview, they have just given the some countries here. Okay. And then they have just given the month-wise sales. Okay. So here the some sales are here. So I'm just taking this random number. Okay. And now if I just show you the sum, like here in this last, I'm just putting the sum for each and every country. Okay. Like this. So now here, what my requirement is, I want to highlight those countries in the green color which are having the sales in the greater than 6,000. Okay, so I'm putting the condition. Highlight country in green color which is having the sales greater than 6,000 and other country should highlight in red color. It means if any sales if any sales is less than 6,000, those should be highlighted into red color. And if any country which is having the sales more than greater or equal to 6,000 should highlight in the green color. Requirement is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So what I will do, see, I will not use this column n. Okay. I have just taken it for your reference only to show you. Okay. So you can validate. So I will select the country here, conditional formatting, new rule, and this last dollar rule. And here I will put the sum formula, same. Sum for this India till here. If this is greater or equals to 6,000, okay. And same, remove this row number 2, okay. Format. I said if this is a greater than this one, it should highlight into what? Into the green color, right? This one. I am copying this formula, green color. So you can see. And now the same rule also I will implement, new rule. And here I said if this is less than 6,000, then in the red color. Okay, this one. So see, you can match it. Which are highlighted in the green color, those are having the sales greater than the 6,000, if you see. And which is highlighted into the red color, having the sales less than the 6,000. Look. Right? So here easily you can recognize that which country is passing my condition and which country is not passing my condition. Correct? Is this clear?
Yeah, no.
Okay. So whenever on the basis of any formula, if you have to put the conditional formatting, then always you have to use this last rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay. This rule you have to implement. And in this rule, always you have to put that kind of a formula which gives you either true or false. It means the result of that formula should be a Boolean. So that is either true or that is either false. Okay, great. Okay, so we have covered all this here, the conditional formatting and all. Okay, so I will share this file with the team, so you will just get it and just do the practice on this one. And from the next, we will just follow that one, the things which we have discussed with the team.